Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix server not found error in Mozilla Firefox. To get started, simply search for ncpa.cpl and click on it. From here, go to the properties of the network your PC is currently connected to. Then select Internet Protocol version 4 and go to properties. From here, make sure obtain IP address automatically is selected and then set the DNS server to the shown address and save the change. Now search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in the command you see in the screen and hit enter to execute them. You can also copy the commands from the video description. Once done, close everything and restart your computer once, and after restart you won't get to see the error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.